What's up? What's up? Okay. I just finished cleaning my room and going off to the office now. The place is a mess, but I got it sorted out. So this area is for my painting stuff. There's a painting there. I bought this painting to the Jesselton Art Market. Well, obviously no one bought it. It's okay. Yeah, no big deal. This is where I do my work. Yeah, this is where I do my work. So I have one laptop for. That's actually a print. That's actually a. What is that? It's a scanner. Oh, and I have this slide. And I attached it to a GoPro mount, so I can just put it on a table like that. Pintar kan saya? It's an old printer, it's still good, still okay. I'm actually cleaning the head right now. Bersih. It's can you see that? Ada kotor-kotor sedikit. I think it's clogged. I don't know. If you guys know where to like service this or I don't know, get a new one. I don't know. I guess it's still okay, but it's just frustrating. The quality is lari-lari sikit lah. It's not the laptop. This is where I hang my clothes, dirty clothes. That's my good old drone. My box stuff, lenses, and I got my slider here and gimbal. My oven. I do ceramic work, so I do a lot of painting on plates and mugs manually, not printers. I have another gimbal here with the GoPro. I usually vlog with this one, but today I need to take a video of that, so I'm using my phone. This is my fly cam. I use it a lot, and let me show you this. Jatuh lah ni. I took the liberty of modifying this. Let me show you. You put the camera here, and you carry it like that. But as you carry it, it's gonna get heavier. So I put a Velcro strap and two Velcro straps, so I can strap it on my hands. So I can hold it like that. So when I'm tired, I can just let go, and it's still strapped on my hand. So another thing that I'm kind of proud of. But now I have the gimbal, and damn, my tummy is huge. Now I have the gimbal, so work is a bit more easier, and that is Hana's first drawing. I think that was before her 2-year birthday, 2-year-old birthday, 2-year birthday party, 2 anniversary. Anyway, I have this cloth almari baju thing. I have lots of clothes, so there's one in the family room and one here. Printer. I guess that's it. I have lots of books. I have lots of books. I don't really read 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 them, but I'm a visual person, so I do a lot of I look at pictures like this one. This is Rothko. I do a lot of reference to like abstract paintings on why is that. So yeah, call me weird, but that's what I like to do. And yeah, mm, yeah, I think that's about it. Um, hmm. Yeah, I have some footage where I was fooling around with the gimbal, and I guess I can share that soon. So this is Egan. That's the tour of my room. We just moved in a month ago, so officially this is my studio space. I'm very happy with this. I'm very happy with this space, uh, and I'm going to be painting more this year. So I'm making a point to utilize this space as much as I can. Oh, that's me. That's me and the wife, and me and the wife. That was when we were dating. Masih kurus lagi. Yeah. And this is a work by Kwan. Ax Kwan. Tengok, cantik kan? That's actually a map of Sabah, and his depiction of what Sabah is. Very contemporary. Love it. Love it very much. Bah, okay lah. See you next time. Bye bye. Begini gitu.